Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY again, and I have another tutorial for you today showing you how we made this super chic but really easy invitation. It literally only takes a few sheets of card. I love the glitter card and the belly band. It's just really elegant. So if you visit our website imaginediy.co.uk, there's downloadable templates on there and all the sizes you need to cut everything to, so we literally couldn't make it any easier for you. But this video will just show you how we put them together. So we're going to start with a glitter card backing. This is a beautiful champagne glitter card. And I've just cut a 2 centimetre strip that we're going to use just to form the basis of the invitation holder. So I'm just lining it up with the centre of the card, and then I'm going to fold the loose edges around to the inside or the back of the card. We're then going to use some double-sided tape just to secure that into place. I really like to use a high-tack tape on glitter card because it gives a really strong stick. So on this, just because we want to make sure it stays in place, I'm using 2 lines of double-sided tape. And I'm just going to fold it round to the back and press it into place. So I'm turning it over now. I'm just going to do the opposite side. As you do this, make sure it's in the middle and it's also horizontal, because you don't want this band to be wonky. It'll really spoil the invitation. There. So you could just choose to leave it like that, but I like to add a backing on because it just adds a real sense of luxury to the invitation. I've already applied double-sided tape to this card, so I'm just peeling the backing off. And we're just going to stick that into place on top of the card then. So we just, at the back of the card, we're just lining the edges up and pressing it firmly into place. And then as you can see, it looks nice from the front and the back then. So the next thing we're going to do is make the front tag. This is a monogram tag that we've pre-printed. I've already put double-sided tape on, so we're just peeling the backing off, and we're just going to put it onto the glitter card panel. Make sure the borders are nice and even, and then do the same with the final layer, which is your monogram panel. Then you've got a really nice 3-layer effect then. Always make sure your edges and your borders are nice and even as you do this. So if you turn it over, you just literally need to run a line of tape across the middle, peel the backing off, and then you can stick that into the centre of the band you've just put into place. And there you've got your invitation holder. So you can slot anything into that, as many guest information sheets, your invitation, RSVP. So I've just put the invitation in there, and I'm just going to show you quickly how we make the RSVP. It's already been pre-taped, so I'm literally just peeling the backing off, and then we're going to stick that onto the glitter card panel, and it's as easy as that to make the RSVP, which we're then just going to slot in front of the invitation, and you're finished. It really is that easy, and look how beautiful it is. So why not give it a go? You can change the colour of the glitter card, you can change anything about this invitation and make it specially for you. So visit our website www.imaginediy.co.uk, and don't forget to subscribe.